those little mice that they're hunting for, they can't hear them coming. So these birds are very, very stealthy when they're hunting too. Good girl. Come on, Zula. Now, as her name suggests, Zula here would like to live in barns. These birds like to live inside things. They don't like to live in trees very much because they're not very waterproof. They carry even less waterproof oil on their feathers than pretty much any other bird that we have living here. And what that means is when it's raining, they really, really struggle to hunt because they very quickly get incredibly wet and then they get too heavy to fly. So they do like to roost inside things. So during the day, when they're normally sleeping, a bird like Zula in the wild would be hiding away in a barn somewhere, trying to stay as dry and as warm as she possibly can. Good girl. Now, we're always told that owls only come out at night. And obviously we are right in the middle of the day and we've got one owl flying here, and in a minute when we put this one away we're going to fly another one. So we've got two owls out in the middle of the day. Not all owls only come out at night in the way that we're always told. In fact, both of the birds that we're flying this morning, they're what we call crepuscular birds, and that's a really long, complicated word. But what it means is that they like to fly when it's half light. So in the morning, when it's starting to get light, that's when they like to hunt. And they also like to hunt in the afternoon, late in the afternoon, when it's starting to get dark. So they're dawn and dusk hunters. So they don't just come out at night. There are some owls, though, that do come out at night, and only at night. Some come out during the day, and that's something that does surprise lots and lots of people. Come on then, little lady. Okay, I think we'll pop her in because she's done really well, because it is very, very windy for a little bird like her. So what we're going to do is I'm going to pop her into her holding box because we've got another bird that we want to fly for you.